Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Okay, so I have a few things to say before I show you a WIP, and I just got something from Mary Maxim. Okay, so first of all, Terrell Campbell, I'm still waiting to hear from you. You won a gift card from the Whisk company, and I'm chasing you down. I said I didn't want to have to chase anybody down, but I would if I had to. So I put up a community post looking for you. I looked in my Facebook group. I don't see you there. So please, I hope you see this video and reach out to me via email just to claim your prize. It's been, when did I think I chose some names on last Saturday. Today's Friday. I'll give you to Sunday, okay? And if I don't hear from you, I'm going to have to draw somebody else on Monday. I hope you're okay. That's what I always think about if I don't hear from somebody. Are they okay? I hope you're okay. All right, something else we have going on it right now is Christmas in July fairies. And make sure you enter on everybody's video if you have time or can do that. I'll put that playlist below of everyone that's involved in that. That's so much fun. And I don't know if this is the 4th year that we've been doing this, or 5th? I don't know. But anyway, it's so much fun. I love it. Okay, so yarn and Goodie giveaway I have going on. That one is until, that ends on the beginning of July. I can't remember the date, but it's, yeah, I'll link all those videos below. Okay, so I just wanted to mention a couple of items that I got from Temu and let you know how they worked out. First of all, the charger, the phone charger, it's an off-brand, so I didn't expect a lot from it. I expected it to work, which it does, but I expected it to take a long time to charge, and you know what? It charges pretty fast. Not as fast as the charger that comes with the phone, but this one does charge pretty fast. Better than any other off-brand charger I've bought before. So, yeah. I'll put that link below for that charger as well, in case you're interested. And the toenails, Temu toenails. Oh my gosh, those things stayed on for 4 weeks. 4 weeks! And then one came off, and I'm like, I was sitting on the couch, I said to hubby, oh my goodness, one of my nails came off. And he said, it's probably in the shower plugging up the drain. I'm like, oh, whatever. Turns out it was in bed. I found it before I crawled into bed. So, like, there's 24 nails in a package, so I did replace that one, but then the next day or the day after, because it was only 1 or 2 days later, another one was just hanging there, so I pulled them all off, and they were just easy to pull off because they were all ready to fall off. But 4 weeks, wow, I am so impressed. Okay, that's it, I think. Yes, that's it for now. Okay, on that part. Now I have this WIP. Now this is the same as a tutorial I just recently put up for that purple cotton shell stitch top. And I had said in that tutorial that I was also making one using acrylic. And this is, that one was a 3-weight cotton. This one is a 2-weight. Just looking at something. Okay, it goes like this. It goes like this. All right, so this one I made wider than the other one. I kind of want it, you know, as more of a sweater. So This is it, and I'm gonna have the neckline lower like that in the front, like I did with the other one, but you can, you know, when you make it, you can have it go like this, so that front and back are both, like the front will be touching your neck up here and the back as well, but all you do is just move the front down a little bit, like that, to make your neck a little lower. You don't have to make it this wide either, and then I tell you, you know, how to count your stitches to make it more narrow. Okay, so yeah, this is made in one piece, and so I'm gonna finish the front to finish. So I'll just make it the same length as the back, and then sew the sides together, and then I plan on making long sleeves, and I think I'm gonna have enough yarn. I hope so. See, this is pretty wide, isn't it? But let me try this on. Oops, I went to put my arm in. There's no armholes yet. Okay. All right, so my neckline is going to be down like that instead of up like that. And it's just a matter of making less rows on the front than the back. Okay, so then those will be sewed together at the sides, and then I'm going to make sleeves on this one. On the other one, I just did a couple of rounds of the same stitch for the arm, for the sleeves, but you know, you can do what you want. Make the sleeves as long or as short as you want. But yeah, so yeah, and of course in the meantime, I started on a new tutorial for something. Yep, always. But first, let me show you or tell you the yarn that I'm using. All right, it's a 2-weight. It's staticky in my house. It's like winter in here. Anyway. Okay. The ball fell out of the thing here, but it's Hirschner's 2-ply fashion yarn. I don't even know if they carry this anymore. I bought this, it was a pack of, I believe, 10. But I used some balls out of it already, so I have, I think it's 6. And I'm on the 4th ball now for this sweater. This is 100% acrylic, 2 ounces, 56 grams, 220 yards or 201 meters. Made in China, machine wash, dry flat, 100% acrylic, I think I said that. And it's a 2-weight. Color is Stormy Skies. And it's blacks and grays. I just love it. I love it. And it's so easy to work with. It's great yarn to work with. If you need to frog, it catches a little bit, but not much at all, because there is a tiny bit of fuzz, but hardly any. I think there's a tiny bit of fuzz with most acrylics, maybe, or some acrylics. So yeah, and I'm using a 5mm hook. I'm not sure what they suggest. E4 hook, size E4. I don't know what that is. I'll write it on the screen. I'll look it up. But this one I'm using is an H5. It's kind of rubbed off. H5. So yeah, I'm working on that, and I'll show it in a future video when it's complete. Okay, what did I get from Mary Maxim? Okay. It is not yarn or craft related. Okay. Something else I saw that I thought was a pretty good deal, and I needed one of these. And I don't know if you guys know this, but here in Canada, like Mary Maxim is located here, and I don't know if they have do they have a store in the States? They might. But anyway, they're in the next province over from me. If you leave your stuff in your cart, and don't check out, leave it in there for a few days, and this happens to me almost every time, they offer free shipping. So, yeah. So, yeah, I usually go for the free, well, sometimes I go for the free shipping, or I decide, oh, I don't want to spend money on yarn right now. Well, this one, they didn't actually offer free shipping, but they offered 25% off, because I left, and it was already on sale. It was on sale. So an additional 25% off. Let's see. So I did pay shipping. I think it was around $14, but I'll tell you the pricing and everything when I come back, because it's something to wear. So I'm gonna do a fashion show, very short fashion show. I'll be right back. Oh dear. I know it looks funny wearing a winter jacket with a dress. But anyway, yeah, it's a winter coat. Oh, and it's very warm because it's so hot in here. Okay, so there's a hood. I didn't even realize it was a hood. So that's really good. So it's that material that, I didn't even know what kind of material this was. But it's that kind of material that, I guess it kind of makes noise. It might, when it freezes in the winter here in Canada, it might like make that crackling sound. I'm not sure. I'll see, I guess, but I think it's nice. And I got a large. Yeah, I pulled it in. There's this drawstring inside, so that's, you know, I got it pulled in. So yeah, I'm just excited about it, and I like to share with my friends. Okay, so we're going to talk about pricing in a minute. I like it. I like it. It has these nice big pockets, a snap. I like it. See, I have a really good winter coat that hubby, or it's a jacket that hubby got me, oh, I don't know, 7 years ago, and I love it. And it's really good for -40 weather. Yes. Yep. -40 Celsius, which is the same as -40 Fahrenheit. So that's when I wear that one, but it's too hot for, say, like -10 or 20. So I got a coat from Goodwill to wear in those warmer days, which we call those warmer days, -20. But I don't really like it. I got it from a thrift store. I don't really like it. I think it makes me look older. But anyway, so I think this one, when I saw this one, I thought, oh, I'm going to get that one. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Okay, let's talk pricing. Okay. I think I could have got away with a medium, but you know what? A large is going to be warmer than a medium. You know why? Because it is. When you have that extra space between your body and your clothing, it's in the winter you feel warmer, yeah, than when you have a tight jacket on. Okay, all right. So I saw it on Maxim for okay. Regular price was, and this is Canadian prices. Regular was $79.99. We had looked for jackets or coat. Well, jacket is shorter than a coat. Anyway, we had looked in stores here, and you know, they're $150, $200. Maybe they're cheaper somewhere else in town, but this was $79.99. So right off the hop, that's not too bad, I say, from my experience. Well, they were on sale for $42.97. From $79.99 to $42.97. I left it in my cart for 2 or 3 days. They sent me a coupon for 25% off. That brought it down to $32.23 Canadian. And there was shipping, which was, I think, $16.99 Canadian for that. And then there was tax, which was, they charged me, where is it? What did they charge me for tax? $2.46. So that brought it up to $51.68. $51.68. Okay, so if I had bought it at $80, that would be $80.96, $97, $98, about $99, so that would have been around $99 with shipping and everything. So $100. That's what it would have been. So I paid half that. I am so happy. Thank you for sharing in my joy. Okay. So that is it for this video. I thank you so much, and I'll see you all again soon. Okay, bye.